Too bad we're not allowed to participate in the street race.
Well, you know that we are just little kids, and our parents are worrying about us, that's all.
Uh-huh. They themselves can do what they please. Stay up late at night, or go for a street race. When I grow up, I will be a super racer.
Yee-hoo! Give way! Who is the super racer here? You are? You wouldn't succeed in racing a turtle.
No, you wouldn't.
I can race you anytime. Wanna bet? Ha! Are you scared or what? Coward.
I'm not a coward. You're on. I'll race you to the end of the street and back.
Ha!
Ethan, I don't think it's a good idea.
Let's go. Whistle to start.
You are a hooligan. You broke a valuable prize. I'm taking you to your parents right away, and I hope they ground you with no movies or games.
I picked the tastiest engine grease. I really hope George likes it.
George!
Hi there.
How are you? What did your parents say?
They say I'm not allowed to go and see my friends. Yet on the other hand, they said nothing about my friends coming to see me.
We decided to cheer you up.
Ethan, it is you that I don't want to see. It was you who broke the prize, and I got punished for that. I think you should have told them the truth.
But I would have been punished, and I...
You guys may come in and help me to do something important.
What's going on with you, Ethan?
Nothing really.
Now tell me seriously, are you kidding me? I am an old battle iron horse. I see you're sad. You can tell me anything. I can maybe help you out.
I broke the prize, but George is the one that got punished for that, and I don't know what to do.
Well, I would say that if you did something wrong, you are the one responsible. That's right, even if you've done wrong, it is unfair when another guy is charged for your misdeed. Do you get it? And no fear, ever never.
That's it. I told you everything. It was me who broke the prize. Forgive George. He's innocent.
Well done, Ethan. You are very brave. I wouldn't tell if I were you, because I would be scared to death.
Listen, just tell my mom and dad to ground me in my room for what I did.
We made a new prize. Even better. It's even better. Friends again, Ethan, right, friend?
Yeah. Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
This is our Hall of Fame, everybody. Tomorrow is Victory Day, and I've decided to bring you here to learn a few things about our past.
Look over here, come quick. It's a locomotive. And I thought that only tanks and cannons took part in the war.
Locomotives, too. They were important in the war as well, of course. They performed the most difficult and important job of all. They brought ammunition for our troops and transported the wounded to the hospitals behind our lines.
It's for bravery. Whose medal is this?
It belongs to a hero, an unknown locomotive. our troops were completely surrounded. They were almost all out of ammunition. And then suddenly, one brave locomotive broke through the enemy's lines and brought them ammunition. After our troops received the supplies, they broke the occupation and they won. But the locomotive was wounded and he lost his wheel. He deserves this medal, but unfortunately he wasn't alive to receive it, and nobody even remembers his name.
How is that possible?
Anything can happen in a war.
Do you know what happened to that train?
Nobody really knows. It's written on the medal, Medal for the Unknown Hero. And now you know whose example you should be following. Now George, Vera, and I are going to the concert hall for the preparations before the big show this evening.
And me?
Well, how would you like to go to Grandpa Billy and invite him to come to the concert? He's also a veteran of the war.
Hello there, Grandpa Billy.
Well, hello there, Ethan, my boy.
My dad told me to invite you to our concert, which is tomorrow.
Oh, thank you so much for the invitation. I'll definitely come.
See you tomorrow, Billy. Oh, dear me.
What happened, Ethan, my boy? What happened?
Well, was that you who broke the occupation and brought ammunitions to the troops?
Well, where did you hear that from? Who was it that told you
My
that
father
story?
told me at the museum.
Well, why do you think that was me, huh?
It's the numbers that are on your wheel. They're the same as the one in the picture. There was also a medal in the museum.
Hey.
Grandpa Billy, why didn't you tell anyone that it was you who did all of that? That's a real feat you did, you know. You deserve a medal for that.
Oh, Ethan, my boy, there's only one real reward when you're fighting a war, and that is victory. Victory, and that's what we all fought for. Yes, indeed.
And after all of these years, we finally know the name of the unknown hero. And we finally know whose medal that was that we saw back in the museum.
Ah, thank you so much, Ethan. Yes, indeed, you are very observant. You are just like a real Secret Service agent. That's what I would say you are, my boy.
Happy holiday, Grandpa Billy.
It's raining, and I'm alone again. My mom's at work, as always, and nobody calls me. Oh, life is such a bad thing. Hello, Mrs. Dove.
Well, hi there, Vera. Why are you so blue today?
Oh, well, I'm just unlucky in life. My mom told me to buy some engine oil. Mrs. Dove, may I please get half a tank?
Don't be sad. Life is like a railroad at times. It may be flat, it may be downhill, and there are sharp turns sometimes, to be sure, my dear. I have something for you, though. Just wait.
These flowers are so beautiful.
Vera, why beautiful? The wilted flowers? Hi there.
Hello, Vera.
Oh, guys, life is so beautiful.
You really think so? To me, it looks like it's gonna rain soon.
And we were missing a third player. We were going to play soccer.
Yeah, with Sam Spark and his team. They have 3 people, and we only have 2.
I don't like to lose at soccer.
Hooray, soccer! This is so awesome.
Vera, what is happening to you? You never enjoyed soccer before.
You're behaving very strangely today.
That's because Vera is looking at the world through pink glasses. That means she sees only the good side in everything.
Yes, I feel so good.
Are those magic glasses?
Vera, can I try them on?
Of course.
We gotta go.
Wait up, guys. I didn't warn them, but no worries. I know they are going to come back.
What have I done? I was supposed to buy engine oil for my mom.
And you bought glasses instead?
Yes.
Everything's gonna be okay. Now we are gonna win Sam Sparky's team. Then we'll come back to the shop to return the glasses and buy engine oil. Enjoy life. Follow me. Come on, guys.
What's wrong, Ethan? Why are you so distracted?
Did I miss the ball, Anthony?
Of course you did. Maybe you should take off the glasses.
Tell me, was that good? Oh. Mrs. Dove, we really need the pink glasses again so the world can become better.
I don't have pink glasses. I only have these black shades. They're very cool. Do you want to try them on?
Everything looks bad with these glasses.
Yes, but we lost because of the pink glasses.
And I let my mom down because of them.
Don't cry, Vera. We can take some oil. Well, from my mother.
And next time we are definitely gonna win.
Look, guys, glasses have nothing to do with all of that, I assure you. They just protect you from the sun. Life is like a railroad. What's most important is to look ahead and move on.
Life is beautiful anyway.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
Sunny, wake up, dear. Come on, wake up.
Hey guys, I'm leaving now. I'll see you in the evening.
Bye-bye, darling.
Hey, Dad, wait a second. Oh, dear. I didn't say goodbye to my dad.
What happened, darling?
It's the toothpaste. It just wasn't tasty.
Why didn't you take the tasty one?
We ran out of the tasty one. Hey, George! Hey, George! Come on out! Hey, George!
Hello there, Ethan.
Oh, hi there. Is George at home?
You know, my dear, his father and he went to the museum today.
Oh, boy. Why is he in the museum when I want to play?
Ethan, why are you so gloomy today?
Today is unlucky. It's my unlucky day.
Is something wrong?
Everything's wrong. It couldn't be any worse. You see? There you have it. It's even worse now, Vera.
Well, you can't do anything about it. You might become unlucky for the rest of your life.
What can I do about it?
Well, I really don't know. Well, do something that you're really good at. Just break the bad luck that way.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh.
Oh, look, it's Grandpa Billy. Why is he standing in the rain?
And he's tilted on one side. Grandpa Billy, are you all right?
Oh, no, he's sick.
him, and I will go for technical assistance.
Yes, all right.
Clock face! Clock face!
What happened?
Grandpa Billy isn't feeling well. Call the ambulance, please.
Thanks so much.
So, Ethan, how's your unlucky day going?
It's not that unlucky, Vera. I just got up on the wrong side. Let's go play!
Hooray, let's play!
Hello, my friends, let's ride together. We will be best friends forever. Look, an exciting road awaits us, so no, oh no, don't stop, no, don't wait, no, let's go. Let's move, we're going very fast now. Faster, what a blast, and wow, together we'll have so much fun each day. Hey, we'll learn, we'll sing, we'll dream, we'll go and play.
Welcome to Train Town. Here we drink hot fuel for breakfast, and it's all about trains, rails, and adventures. Come play with us here in Train Town.
Wow, that's so very beautiful.
In 2 days' time, there will be a Young Talents competition from the Train City for whoever loves painting and sculpturing.
Great! I will make a colorful still life painting.
I have a wonderful idea. I will fashion a vase from clay.
We should draw a landscape, a forest, maybe, or a river.
So what are you going to do then?
Whatever we do, we are going to win first place, I say. See you at the competition, guys.
Sam Sparky, so what are we going to draw or mold?
Well, the first thing we do is see what others are creating, and then we shall decide. Painting is all about the brushwork. The more touches you make, the better it gets. Not enough dashes. I need much more strokes than that. Yeah, so Ethan is a pretty strong competitor. We could never paint such a great piece as him, guys.
Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna draw a forest.
And I'll draw a river.
Sam Sparky, wait.
The girls are strong painters too, I'm afraid. We couldn't paint such a great landscape.
Oh, guys, does hay soak up rain fast?
Well, wait and see.
There is an indisputable similarity. Yet something is missing. The handles are missing. That's weird. It's exactly the same as the picture.
Well, guys, George is excellent with clay. We would never manage a pot like this. Hey!
Well, that's a whole different story. Now it looks almost the same. How could we get the first place if they're all so talented, Sam Sparky?
I just figured out a really good idea.
Oh my goodness!
That's amazing. What a resemblance. Where's Sam Sparky himself?
You know, Sam Sparky isn't feeling well. He couldn't make it here.
That's too bad. The first prize goes to the bronze Sam Sparky statue. Congratulations!
Oh, please forgive us. We just wanted to surprise everybody. But unfortunately, we failed.
Oh no, you didn't fail to surprise us. We shall give a first place prize to all the participants for their talent and their creativity.
Hey, tell me something. What are these grave faces for? Where are you going, huh? Heading to the library or what?
Hey, guys! Now we're studying for a quiz about safety rules. As a matter of fact, the lesson is today. Want to come with us?
Come with you to study? I hate studying. It's way too boring. All the more for that safety rules nonsense. I know how to use the fire cartridge. What I know is enough, right? Oh.
Uh-huh. It's boring. You'd fall asleep.
Yeah, it's boring. You'd fall asleep. You would.
Well, whoever wants to go and waste their time may go and study without me. And we are going to play now.
Do whatever you please. Off you go, all.
Look at me, I'm a rocket. I'm the speediest of all.
And I can go even faster. Watch me!
And I have a blaster, and I can go pew, pew, pew.
Awesome! Let's go on the big railroad and play there.
Oh, no. But it's
You
dangerous.
coward! Why don't you go and play in a playground with babies?
All right. Let's go then. But not too far, okay?
Awesome! Just look at these wagons.
Oh, there must be 1 million of them.
Come on. A train cannot possibly be that long. Less than 1 billion. That's for sure, I believe.
Oh, how do we get over to the road? Oh, let's creep under the wagon.
What do you mean? Crawl under the wagon?
No way. You must not creep under wagons. It's very dangerous.
It's dangerous for you, Arnold. For you. Not dangerous for me. Hey, come on. Really, cowards. You're so funny, guys. Why did you shut your eyes?
Oh, there were trillions of wagons. I thought they'd never end, I swear. I swear I did.
Hey, guys, I was so terrified that I think I lost some weight.
When I grow up, I'll be carrying wagons. Just like these. And Arnold will get so fat that he will have to be towed himself.
Or pushed from behind, huh?
I'll be speeding, of course. And Arnold will go like, "Hey, Sam Sparky, where are you going? Wait for me." Hey, what was that? Why am I moving? Why am I moving? Oh!
Hey, Sam Sparky, where are you going? Wait for me!
Switch yourself off the wagon! Switch yourself off the wagon!
Oh, no, I can't! The lock is jammed! Where is Sam Sparky?
Tell me what's happened. Sam Sparky, he is, well, he's traveling.
Where is he traveling?
We don't know, actually. We've never asked him. I think he's far away.
Hey, there he is, look!
Here. Here is your runaway. The train had to make an emergency stop because of him. How could you defy the safety rules after I taught them to you so carefully? Now remember, children, a railroad is not a place for playing games.
Please forgive me, officer. I will never do that again, I promise.
We will never do that, please.
Oh, please. Promise.
Oh, all right, but this is the last time.
Well, what do you say, guys? Are you going with us to study for the safety rules quiz that's coming up soon?
Isn't it too late, Wendy?
It would have been too late if you had been gone for good, but you came back.
Mm-hmm.
This is real cinema. It's not about cars or planes or stuff like that. It's much deeper than that. It's about us.
You know, I was wondering what movies this train took part in.
Well, he doesn't take part anymore. He's retired now. Arrival of a Train is the first movie in the history of the cinema.
This is why there are no good movies about trains anymore.
Hey there, guys. Why don't we make our own movie?
That is not an easy task at all. We need a writer and a director.
You're the smartest one here, George, so you'll be the director.
Yes, I will, Ethan. We'll make the best movie about trains.
Please help us. Please help us. Is that all? Hey, George, how come I don't have any more lines to say?
Ethan, you don't understand. Your part is very important. Roll camera. Action, go. You're walking and having fun. Vera, laugh. Evil villain kidnaps Vera now. Anthony, show some pain. Right, cut. Ethan, now Sam Sparky will pass you with kidnapped Vera, and you call Anthony. You'll be calling him for his help. And action.
Help me, please.
Vera is in danger. I'll save her.
Stop! Ethan, you don't save her by yourself, you know. You just call Anthony for his help like it says.
Can't I do that? I can save Vera, you know.
Ethan, you must play your own role. That's just how I wrote this scene.
Help me, please, please.
Help me. Oh, help me. Oh, our great savior, Anthony, please.
Not bad. Ethan, try to be more emotional.
Why are you so slow, Vera?
Because we're so tired, Ethan.
Yeah. Someone didn't want to play the way they should have played in the scene, am I right? It's easy for you to say. You have all the main parts.
Ethan, we made the movie for the audience. Not for you, you know. And all the parts are important.
And you are not making it any easier. I didn't want to ruin everything. Give me one more chance. Please help me! Please help me!
Where did they all go?
To an abandoned depot.
Cut! That's great! Ethan, great idea about the depot.
Please help me! Please help me!
Where did they all go?
To an abandoned depot.
Wow, look at what a great job.
Now you see, Ethan, the main thing is to play your part right no matter what.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.